How to hang pencil pleat curtains. Hanging curtains can be a pain in the neck. Literally, you have to measure, mark, drill, hook, and adjust, all while standing on a ladder or a chair. And if you make a mistake, you have to start all over again. But don't worry, there's a better way. I am John, the host of Drilling Nerd, a channel and blog for power tool reviews and drilling hacks. In this video, I will show you how to hang pencil pleat curtains with ease and style using some simple tools and techniques. To hang pencil pleat curtains, you will need these tools: a measuring tape, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a step ladder, a curtain polo track, curtain rings or gliders, curtain hooks. You will also need a pair of pencil pleat curtains that match the width and length of your window. Once you have your tools and curtains ready, follow these steps to hang your pencil pleat curtains. First of all, find the stud in your wall using stud finder and mark the center point for your curtain rod brackets. Use the level to ensure everything perfectly straight. Step 2. This is where your power tool knowledge comes in. Choose the right drill bit and set the speed for your wall material. Drill those holes with precision, like a laser guided ninja. Step 3. Depending on your wall, you might need anchors for extra strength. Insert them gently. Next step. Screw those brackets onto the wall using the appropriate screws. Remember, snug but not too tight. Step number 4. Now the fun part. Slide your curtain rod through the plates, making sure they are evenly spaced. And finally, place the rod onto the brackets and secure it with the screw or caps. Voila, your curtains are hanging like a masterpiece, thanks to your DIY skills. Pro tip: before hanging your curtains, iron them to remove any wrinkles or creases. This will make them look smoother and neater. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned how to hang pencil pleat curtains with ease and style. If you have any question or feedback, please let me know in the comment section. And visit our website drillingnerd.com for more power tool reviews and drilling hacks.